Is your Wi-Fi connected but the internet just won't load? It's frustrating, right? You are definitely not alone, but don't worry. In the few minutes, I'm going to show you simple and effective ways to fix the Wi-Fi connected but no internet problem on Windows 11 quickly and easily. Let's start with the first method, tweaking your network settings. Open the search bar and type View Network Connections. Click on it when it appears. Now look for your Wi-Fi adapter. This is what your PC uses to connect to the internet. That means for using internet, you may use Wi-Fi or Ethernet. Now select your Wi-Fi adapter and hit Properties. Now scroll down and double click on Internet Protocol version 4 TCP/IPv4. Here, select Use the following DNS server addresses. In the preferred DNS server box, type 8.8.8.8 and in the alternate DNS server box, type 8.8.4.4. These are Google's public DNS server. They are fast, secure and very reliable. The small changes alone solve the problem for a lot of users, so go ahead and check if your internet is back. If it is, that's awesome. But if not, don't worry, we have got one more powerful fix. Now let's move on the next method using command prompt. Click on the search bar again and type command prompt. Right click on it and choose Run as Administrator. That's important. Once the command window opens, you are going to enter a few commands that will reset your network settings and clear out anything that might be causing issues. I have listed all the commands in the descriptions or comments, so you can easily copy and paste them one by one. After typing each command, make sure to hit enter. This command will reset your IP settings, flush the DNS cache, and refresh your network configuration, all of which can help fix internet connection issues. Once you are done entering all the commands, go ahead and restart your PC. When your system boots back up, your internet should be working smoothly again.